Hello and welcome back to KM Webbers. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can remove the sale price on your Shopify store. So if you want to end up the sale on your store, this video is for you. So here you can see some of my products. So I have a sale going on this product. So first of all, I will show you how you can remove sale on this product, and then I will also show you how you can do the same for bulk products. So that will save you time. So just open this product. So I've opened this product. So let's see how we can remove the sale. So here we will have to scroll down, and here we have the variants. So we can just open the variant, just click on them so they will open. And now here you can see all of the variants of your product. So I have four variants. So here you can see the sale is running, the compare at price is larger than the price. So I will have to copy this compare at price, and I will have to enter it in the price, so the original price will be back, and we can remove the compare at price. And similarly for this variation, so I will have to click on save first of all. And now let's click on the other variation on which the sale was running. And here similarly I will copy this compare at price in the sale price, so that the original price will be back, and I can remove the compare at price. Click on save. So for this product the sale is removed, and now let's see how we can do that in the bulk. So just go to the products, and here select the products on which you want to remove the sale. So I can select the first four, and then I will have to click on this bulk edit button over here, and then you can click on this column and scroll down, and you can open this compare at price. So a new column will be added. Here you can see, and you can make sure that you copy the compare at price values to this base price, and you can then remove the compare at price so that the prices will be back to the normal. Just click on save, and now let's visit the product. So here is the product. Just click on preview, and here you can see that the sale is gone. So that's it for the video. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment if you have any question, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.